Itinga ria ngere gicigo mbunge gia Gatanga kaunti ya Murang'a nikuo mucemanio wa mwaka wa arimi a macani wikikite, arimi makiyumiria kwa uingi niguo gutaririo maundu maria mathiete na mbere itinga-ini riri. Hindi ya mucemanio ucio muikarari giti wa bodi ya itinga riri James Githinji ni atariirie ati mutambo wa guthia macani ma Orthodox ni murikiriru na mena matanya ma kuongerera riri wa macani mao na njira ya kwamura mugunda wa gukuragio herbs kana species iria itukanagio kuongerera macani mucamo niguo makendio na mathogora mega.
One key milestone we've done managed today is that we've partnered with the farmers and we've already commissioned the new Orthodox machinery. And from today, we'll be announcing to our buyers that now Ngere Tea Factory is one of the producers of Orthodox teas. And to my supplies, Gele is making very high quality of Orthodox teas. And I'm very glad with the management and the contractor who did this machinery, because you've done a very, very nice quality. And I'm hoping it will fetch good prices in the market.
Kambuni iria irũmbũyanagia na wendia wa macani munara-ini wa Mombatha ni maugite mbara cia kimabũrũri ni icũngĩrĩirio kunderu wa thoko ya macani oro hamwe na mathogora ma thĩ.
The global challenges are many. Of course, there have been logistic issues where you have found that Suez Canal was even at some point closed, resulting in very expensive routes to Europe and other countries. And of course, all this, any extra cost is transferred to the producer. So we have to make it easy, even when we are putting terms and conditions for the buyer. We have to know that every tax, every expense, every shipping cost is deducted from what should be coming to the farmer.
Arimi a macani na atongoria ni matetete gucerithirio kwa bataraitha makihinyiriria gutwaragirwo bataraitha mweri-ini wa gatano.
This time we've let the farmers down because they are getting the fertilizer now. And historically, fertilizer has been receiving allowed May so that they can apply in June, July. From today, I picked a message from the farmers, which I'll personally deliver to KTDA Holdings. And the message from the farmers is that they must get the fertilizer by mid-May, come what. And that's the only time that the fertilizer can assist them.
Wakiigua kamuhwa ngunyera niguo ngururirie na nguthererie tondu gaka ni kanyako horo kuma metumi ndigi magoro ritwa riakwa ni Sarah Wambui wa Mwangi.